Welcome to Mumcore channel with easy recipes and big flavors. How to cook yummy shrimp with okra. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 8 cloves of garlic. Then add medium ginger, sliced into small cubes. And 1 medium onion, sliced. Introduce cleaned shrimp, 2 to 4 pounds, and stir. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. One tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt, or any salt. One teaspoon of pepper flakes. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir well. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Cover for an additional minute. Cover for another minute. Add 1 pack of okra. Cover for another minute. Ready to serve. Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.